Have you ever caught a glimpse of your child's computer screen and thought, what are they playing now? Likely it's Roblox, a virtual realm where kids dive into endless worlds, blending play and creativity. So first off, what's Roblox? Now imagine a digital playground where your kiddo can not only play games, but also design them. This is a digital universe filled with games created by its own community, and everyone gets their very own avatar. Think of it like a digital alter ego. Beyond the endless fun, there's a silver lining for parents. Roblox can actually be educational. Roblox Studio is the game creation tool where kids can try their hand at coding, problem solving, and game design. Some kids have even turned their passion projects into a profitable business. Now, because this is open to anyone, Roblox has grown to well over 40 million games available. That's a huge amount to throw through. So let's look at a few of the more popular games that are suitable for players of all ages, and maybe some that are definitely not suitable and that your children should avoid. Adopt Me, with nearly 100,000 daily players, is a Roblox hit. More than just adopting pets, players become caregivers, ensuring pets are happy and healthy. Each pet has unique needs, teaching kids virtual responsibility. There's marketplace for trading and upgrades, but kids can also earn Robux, the in-game currency, by caring for pets, doing tasks. So even if you disable purchases, there's still plenty to enjoy. Theme Park Tycoon 2. Hand your child a virtual canvas with Theme Park Tycoon 2, where they don't just ride coasters, they create them. Beyond crafting adrenaline-filled rides, players manage stalls, design routes, and oversee finances. It's a game that marries creativity with strategy, teaching budgeting and space optimization. So when your child's immersed in their digital park, they're not just playing, they're actually strategizing, designing, and maybe even igniting their passion in business and creativity. Livetopia, the Mad Science Lab. Ever imagine diving into a virtual space where today you're a barista and tomorrow you are an urban explorer? Livetopia offers this dynamic experience. Players shape their adventures, balancing everyday virtual tasks with delightful surprises, from uncovering hidden spots to forging new friendships in this vibrant digital neighborhood. Now, I found the game Livetopia, the Mad Science Lab, to be much more fun than the usual Livetopia. In this, you get to brew all sorts of experiments, which are actually true to life. So if you pour some vinegar into some baking soda, then you'll get volcano eruption, just like you would in real life. I think this could be really fun for younger kids, and even my 11-year-old actually liked it. In Hide and Seek Extreme, players find themselves in a larger-than-life environment where everyday objects suddenly become massive hideouts. Ever thought of hiding inside a soda can or scaling a gigantic bookshelf? Here's where these childhood fantasies actually come to life, and it's not just about finding that perfect hiding spot. As the timer ticks down, the adrenaline pumps up, especially when the seeker is just inches away from you. And as you know, you can play it while sitting on a sofa rather than actually hiding behind it. Have you ever reminisced about deep sea mysteries, or maybe gazed at the ocean's hidden depths during vacations? Scuba diving at Quill Lake on Roblox lets players explore underwater wonders without actually getting soaked. Beyond virtual marine life, they'll uncover sunken tales, ancient caves, and treasures. Each dive offers not just in-game artifacts, but also teaches patience and exploration. The real treasure? Shared experiences, stories exchanged, and collective challenges tackled. Now, while Roblox offers a treasure trove of adventures, it's also a vast virtual world. And just like our real one, it comes with its corners of caution. Firstly, let's chat about some of the games that your kids should definitely be avoiding. Like I said, Roblox is full of user-generated games, and they're not all fun and games, at least not for young kids. You will find murder, kill type games, shooting games, horror games, survival killer games, and many more. Lots of these can be really scary for younger kids, and they're just not the kind that would be suitable for them to play or to be exposed to. Then you obviously have games that are definitely sexual in nature, that make even us grown-ups blush. Like the shower simulator game, which is exactly what it sounds like. Little naked Roblox figures having a shower together. Not exactly the safe PG content that we're actually hoping for our kids to see, right? And speaking of PG, remember the age-old rule of not talking to strangers. It's super relevant here. The chat features, while fun, can be a Pandora's box. Cyberbullying, inappropriate chats, and even grooming. It's a wild west on Roblox. The shower game is actually known for its inappropriate sexual conversations. I appreciate Roblox's age guidelines, but let's face it, they're more of a gentle nudge in certain direction than actual rule. Easy for curious minds to wander into situations that they don't even realize they are in until it's too late. Now, the Robux situations, there's a risk of phishing, account takeovers, and hacking, where unauthorized users might actually steal your kids' Robux or access the actual wallets that are connected to your bank accounts. So what's the game plan here? Because you obviously don't want to be limiting your children too much, especially when Roblox offers so much creativity. Well, the key is to understand your kids' digital world. Take a moment and enable parental controls. Occasionally peek into their virtual escapades and make sure that they know the online rules and boundaries that you have taught them. Add an extra security layer by signing up with our FamiSafe app and activating some of our great features, ranging from blocking Roblox as a website or as an app to monitoring chats for explicit content. Because as much as Roblox is about fun, creativity and learning, it's also about playing it safe. And if Roblox doesn't play it as safe as it should, then it's up to you as a parent to step in. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode. If you'd like to learn more about FamiSafe or how it can actually help you keep your kids safe while online and in the real world, then head over to our website and sign up for the free trial. Until next time, bye!